I think we already got a bite. We already got a bite, dude. Wow, I haven't even set up my other rods. Come on, let's see what you got. Let's see what you got. Oh, ladyfish. Ladyfish. Yep. That didn't take long. Too bad I missed the hit. I wasn't paying attention. I was trying to get started. But I might use that ladyfish for cut bait. Yep. Look how shiny she is. Okay, the only thing I'm using right now is shrimp. Got a huge hit. Oh, Stay on, baby, stay on. All right. Oh yeah. Ooh, it's a heavy one. I hope it's not a shark. It's heavy. Come on, baby. Stay on. All right, look at that big bluefish. Wow. Look at that. Huge. Easy, bud. Easy, bud. Calm down. Calm down, dude. Calm down, dude. Holy crap. Whew. I know, we just got here too. Back-to-back fish. This guy is hooked on the tail too. All right, well, I haven't even set up my outside camera yet. No outside camera, just got here. And we had ladyfish on this one and the blue one on that. Well, that's fast. Measure this guy. He's at 14 inches. 14. That's a good size. I think that middle rod got a hit too. Let's bleed this guy real quick. Let's see what we got here. Alright, dude. That's a good sized bluefish. What up, everybody? How you guys doing? Welcome back to another episode on what the beach has to offer today. While I'm just trying to get set up, my backup camera is not even up yet. I'm just casting the shrimp out, trying to get the bait in the water, and the rods are hitting right and left. Look at this. First we got the ladyfish, and then the bluefish hit. But there goes bait, because I came here only with shrimp. So now that I got ladyfish and I got bluefish, I got bait. I might even use this guy for lunch too, if we don't catch nothing else. So it's a good start, I can't complain. But I will cut this ladyfish and I will cast it out there. See if we can get on something big. Stay tuned. Line went slack. Let's see what we got here. It's definitely on. Come on, baby. Don't get off here now. Dude, anything but ladyfish. Another one? Jeez. Jeez, yeah. See how easy they get off? Man, oh man. Too bad I don't know how to cook these things. Look, look, look. Another one right here gonna hit. A lot of sand fleas though. A lot of sand fleas on the beach, guys. Maybe that's why they're showing up. in the middle rod, getting some action. Come on, come on. Bring your ladyfish butt over here. Feel you jumping all over the place. I feel you jumping all over the place. You're not getting off this time. Come on. See? Told you. Told you it was a lady. Whew. Watch. See that? They are so aggressive. You see the way it hit? And they get off so quick from the hook. The way they jump. Oh, easy girl, easy girl, easy girl. You ain't gotta show us how you jump. You ain't gotta do all that. You ain't gotta do all that. Here we go. That should do. Another small piece just like it. Look at that. Can't beat that right there. That's as fresh as it gets. Well, there we go. Ladyfish. This one I kind of don't like. I don't have much of a hook here. I'm gonna hook it here on the bottom so we can have some of this hook exposed. Alright dudes, let's get this ladyfish out there. I am using a thicker leader line, so they won't cut us off.
Get him.
That's what happens when you put ladyfish on there.
He did, yeah. I thought it was this close to doing that.
He's pissed off at the world.
Get him. I can drag him up if you want. Here, I got it. You want me to pull him back?
Beast, huh?
Yeah. Just a little bull. These guys are dangerous. The bulls try to bite you back.
What's up?
Bull try to bite you back.
That's what that is?
Yeah. Careful, he'll come back at you. There you go. All right, that's good. Yeah, I got your rod. Need a plier?
Yeah, I got him on.
Here.
Got him on you? Appreciate it.
Careful, he'll try to bite you back. There you go. That's it. Hold strong.
Got him.
All right.
Fuck. You gonna put it back?
Okay.
No more ladyfish for today.
That's awesome, man. That was a good catch, huh?
Yeah, thanks for your help.
Have fun. Yeah.
I'm a fan of the channel too.
Yeah. Oh, thanks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I know you've been getting away from the beach lately. You like to go on the boat.
Yeah, I'm a boat guy. Yeah, for a little bit. No, I'm back on the beach now.
Okay. This is nice, man.
I'm
you
just
know?
scouting.
Yeah. It's too hot on the beach anyway. There's nothing here.
Yeah.
So, bunch of little fish and
What's your name?
Dennis.
Dennis?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
I got a little channel too.
You do? What is
Dennis Tirona. Or what the beach has to offer today.
What the beach has
To offer today. Yeah.
That's cool. Yeah, I haven't surf fished in a while. It's been a while. But I'm happy to be back. It's nice change.
Yeah.
I caught 10 pompano, no whiting, a black
All the pompanos undersized, right?
undersized. Yeah, about the biggest one was like 9.5. I caught
That's
a black
crazy.
drum, which was only like 11 inches.
They're getting as big as 13. That's it.
Yeah, here.
Yeah. Yeah, it's been, but it's getting better. The other day it was more rougher here. So this is nice.
You did good though. I mean, getting them in. My shark broke off. Like
Yeah.
20 pounds.
No, mine was like 100 and
Yeah.
I think it's 20.
I had him for a while. I was loosening the drag.
Right.
I had him, and then as soon as he tail whacked, tail cut me. It's got to be like 50 pounds or higher.
Yep. No, I never fished with nothing that big. But yesterday or the day before, I kept losing rigs. There's a lot of bluefish sharks, but I was using also mullet. It's not the smart thing to use mullet on your pompano rig. Because I was catching them with the net. The beach was full here 2 days ago.
Yeah.
Full of mullet. Like, I feel like the cooler with
There's
mullet.
been some redfish.
That's what I was hoping to catch. So I'm throwing a mullet and then boom, boom, they cut me off. I'm like, you know what? Let me put the big board. I put the 120.
Incoming tide, the cooler water comes in. So that's what this is.
Okay.
That's why I'm pompano fishing, because I know it's cooler.
Oh man, that would be nice. I think I got some fish over there.
I think you do too. I
All
think
right,
you
man.
got something.
Take care, bro. Oh, he on there. Baby pump. Bottom hook. Sand flea. Come on, we gotta get on a bigger one, guys. We gotta get it on a bigger pompano here. Look at it. Whoa. Oh man. The ladyfish are everywhere. The small pompano eating all the shrimp. So yeah, it's been one of those ladyfish, undersized pompano kind of day. And definitely not throwing that ladyfish out there. Because that shark put a toll on me, let's put it that way. So finally I can get the sit. But I've been on my feet since I got here, so for the last 2 hours, man, look. I mean, these rods won't stop hitting. So I'm gonna pick it up here in a little bit. That was it for me. So Looks like bluefish for lunch. What can we do? Hey, you know what I'm saying? When the beach don't offer you pompano or whiting, you gotta take what it offers. So I know I can't eat no ladyfish, so I'm gonna have to deal with the bluefish. I would have kept that shark and taken him in, but I was so tired I couldn't even hold the rod, let alone bring in that shark by the cooler. So I'm gonna give it another, I don't know, 5 minutes. Since I got bait on my hooks, I just casted them out. So yeah, tired, but beautiful out here. The beach full of sand fleas. There's bait running around. The water is clean. It's good conditions. You know, get out here before August is over. This is the last week of August, so take advantage. Come out, fish.